What's going on, y'all? I'm about to show y'all how I make my Cajun chicken tenders. Alright, we're gonna start off with this super bird seasoning. We're gonna cover these tenders up. Next, you wanna get you an egg or 3, depending on how many tenders you're making. Get you some peppercorn, some salt, and some Cajun seasoning. Go ahead and mix all that up. And don't forget your pickle juice. Alright, go ahead and use whatever chicken batter you want to use. If you want to make homemade, that's up to you. We're going to dip it in the egg wash. Place it right there in that flour. Sit them on that cooling rack. Let that flour blend into that chicken. And we're gonna go ahead and fry this at 350 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes. Take a look at that. All right, we're gonna put them on a cooling rack. Let these bad boys cool down for just a quick minute. And bam, there you have it. Those Cajun chicken tenders. Take a look at that right there. Man, don't get no better than this. If you want yours hotter, make sure you put a little bit of cayenne pepper in there, or get a little hot sauce. Hey, I appreciate you guys for watching this little quick video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Hey, it's time to eat.